Andover, Massachusetts is not urban at all. It's actually very suburban and people love it. Anyone you can, get on the street and ask, why do you love Andover? They will say because of a very tight-knit community. Niche.com gives Andover the 17th best suburb in Massachusetts out of 197 suburbs. The neighbors of Andover are Lawrence, North Andover, North Reading, Wilmington, Tewksbury, and Methuen. It is about 22 miles north of Boston. Even without traffic, it will take you around 40 minutes to get to Boston. When it comes to highways, it is at the intersection of Interstate 93 and 495. The good thing is, if you don't like driving, there is the commuter rail with 2 stops taking you to Boston's North Station on the Haverhill-Reading line. The population here is about 37,000, and there are many community events that happen throughout the year, such as Crafts at the Park, Andover Days, Clowntown, Farmers Market, holiday happenings, car shows, and business events. The downtown is really cute, and you can walk everywhere here. When it comes to schools, Andover High School is ranked 42nd in Massachusetts according to U.S. News High School rankings. The very prestigious Phillips Academy is in Andover and has many famous alumni. The Addison Gallery of American Art on the Phillips Academy campus is open to the public. Here you can spend your time at the Harold Parker State Forest, located on the border of Andover, Middleton, and North Reading. You can do a lot of trails like the Avis Trail. You can be on Shoshin River. You can have donuts at somebody's place. Go to La Fina for high-end dining for that date night. And Otto's Pizza for family dinner. And here are my pros and cons of living in Andover. Starting with the pros. The town takes landscaping very seriously and everything is lovely. Too bad I was recording the end of the March, and I will make sure to record again when it's blooming, when it's green, sometime in the summer, I promise. The school system is excellent and really prepares students for college. Number 3, it is a very peaceful, quiet, and a movie scene-like place to reside. It has a really nice downtown area, many nature reserves and parks. It has a farmer's market, and there are many things to do nearby, both indoors and outdoors, like at the Addison Art Gallery, the mall at the Rockingham Park, Canopy Lake Park, Haggett's Pond, and Ward Reservation. And Andover also has a beautiful country club surrounded by beautiful homes. It has some wonderful bakeries. It's under 40 minutes to Boston and has a commuter rail. Also close to New Hampshire, 30 miles west of Manchester, New Hampshire. Many resources in town like the library, the youth center, and the senior center. Now let's talk about the cons. Well, it is less affordable option compared to surrounding towns. Average sale price is $1,086,000, and Andover is experiencing a huge price growth. If you take the March numbers this year compared to 2023, exactly this time, there was a 20% price growth. If you're driving to Boston every day, it can be done, but prepare to be in the car for a long time. 40 minutes without traffic and more than an hour with traffic. Con number 3 is there isn't much of entertainment or nightlife, which is true with every small Boston suburb. So you have to go somewhere else. My name is Nune. I'm a real estate agent in Massachusetts. If you're thinking of buying or selling, I have all my contact information in the description below. Just reach out to me. I'll be happy to hear from you. Please watch my video about Linfield next.